Today I'll show how we build the $3 million Ferrari Daytona SP3 from raw aluminum, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe.
Unlike other brands, Ferrari casts its own engine blocks in-house using perfectly refined liquid aluminum. Every single V12 engine is hand-assembled by a master technician, ensuring absolute perfection.
The carbon fiber tub is baked in a high-pressure autoclave, making it stronger than steel, but incredibly light.
This is the marriage, the precise moment the legendary V12 heart is permanently bolted into the carbon fiber body.
After painting, the Hypercar is meticulously hand-polished to achieve that world-famous, flawless Ferrari mirror shine.
The final touch is applying the legendary prancing horse badge, the ultimate symbol of automotive perfection.
Every single Ferrari Hypercar is pushed to its absolute limits on the private Fiorano test track before it's handed over to a customer. Every single Ferrari Hypercar is pushed to its absolute limits on the private Fiorano test track before it's handed over to a customer.
Okay, loader, you are clear on the right. Copy that. Moving forward slowly. Watch the clearance on the tail.
From Maranello to America, this $3 million masterpiece has finally arrived at its new home.
Congratulations on your new Daytona SP3, sir.
Thank you. It's absolutely stunning.
Does it? And that's the passion and precision it takes to build a Ferrari Hypercar from scratch. Thanks for watching. I'm scratching.